What steps should I follow to troubleshoot my COX Panoramic router after resetting it?
Hello there. If you've recently reset your COX Panoramic router and you're experiencing issues getting it back up and running, don't worry. This guide will help you troubleshoot your router step by step. Remember, patience is key in this process.
Have you properly reset your router?
The first step in troubleshooting is to make sure that you have correctly reset your router. For a full reset, you should locate the reset button on the back of your router. Press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. You'll know the router has reset when all the lights on the router blink out momentarily and then start blinking again.
Is your router connected properly?
After resetting your router, ensure that it's properly connected. The power cord should be firmly plugged into the router and a power outlet. The coaxial cable should be securely connected to the router and the wall outlet. Any Ethernet cables should be securely connected to their devices and the router. Check that all these connections are secure.
Are all router lights on and stable?
Now, verify that the lights on your router are behaving as expected. The power light should be on and stable. The internet light might blink for a while as the router establishes a connection and should eventually become stable. Any other lights, such as the Wi-Fi light or Ethernet port lights, if devices are connected, should also be on and stable. If any lights are off or blinking continuously, it indicates an issue.
Can your devices connect to the router?
Try connecting your devices to the router. First, locate your router's network on your device. Enter your new Wi-Fi password. If you've reset your router, this will be the default password listed on the router itself. If your device cannot see the network, or if it can see the network but can't connect, you may have an issue.
Still having trouble?
If you're still having trouble, you might need professional help. Contact COX's support line. They may be able to resolve your issue remotely, or they may need to send out a technician to troubleshoot in person. That's it. We hope this guide has helped you troubleshoot your COX Panoramic router. Remember, don't be disheartened if you're having issues. Technology can be finicky, and sometimes it takes a little patience to get everything working as it should. Good luck!